What happens to your body if you drink curry leaf tea every day? Did you know that ancient healing practices, including Ayurveda, have incorporated curry leaves for centuries to treat various ailments and promote better overall health? Curry leaves are aromatic leaves from a tropical tree called Murraya Koenigii, native to India and Sri Lanka, that have been used for centuries in traditional Ayurvedic medicine, specifically as a remedy for digestive issues, to support healthy blood sugar levels, and to promote hair and skin health. Lately, its popularity has really taken off because studies have backed up many of these medicinal benefits. Today, let's dive into the science and healing benefits of curry leaves. We'll look at how it can help with everything from mild digestive problems to more serious neurodegenerative diseases. Stick around until the end for some easy tips and recipes to include more curry leaves in your meals. The leaves have a distinct and strong smell that people often say reminds them of citrus, lemongrass, and nuts. Their taste is herbal and earthy, with a bit of bitterness and some hints of anise and nuts. Curry leaves are great for cooking, but they've also been prized for their health benefits for a long time. So, what are some of the most common traditional uses for them? Curry leaves have a special mix of essential oils and plant chemicals, like citronellol, limonene, and caryophyllene, which give them their unique smell and taste. These compounds are believed to have anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and neuroprotective benefits, making them great helpers for managing different health issues. Discover now 10 strong reasons why you should drink curry leaf tea every day. 1. Antioxidant benefits. These leaves contain high levels of antioxidants, including phenolic compounds and flavonoids, which shield the body against harmful free radicals and oxidative damage, possibly lowering the likelihood of long-term illnesses. Studies indicate that the components in these leaves contribute to various biological functions, including their ability to neutralize oxidants and potential cancer-fighting properties. 2. Might help protect your brain. Some studies hint that these leaves could be good for keeping your nervous system and brain healthy. Alzheimer's is a brain disease that gets worse over time, destroying neurons and causing oxidative damage to cells. Research shows these leaves have stuff in them that might help guard against brain conditions like Alzheimer's. In one study with mice, giving them high doses of curry leaf extract boosted protective antioxidants in their brain cells, things like glutathione peroxidase, GPX, glutathione reductase, GRD, and superoxide dismutase, SOD. The concentrated extract also decreased oxidative harm in brain cells and reduced enzymes linked to Alzheimer's disease development. 3. Helps manage blood sugar. Some traditional medicine practices have used these leaves for years to help manage diabetes symptoms. One study gave rats curry leaf extract and found their blood sugar dropped significantly while their antioxidant levels went up after treatment. The compounds in curry leaves appear to influence how your body processes glucose and may slow down the breakdown of carbohydrates into sugar. This means curry leaves could potentially help prevent those sharp spikes in blood sugar that happen after eating. 4. Might help fight cancer. Curry leaves contain compounds with promising anti-cancer properties. Lab studies using curry leaf extracts from Malaysian plants showed they effectively slowed the growth of aggressive breast cancer cells. The extract also reduced cancer cell survival rates and even triggered their death. Research has also found curry leaf extract to be toxic to cervical cancer cells in lab tests. In mice with breast cancer, oral curry leaf extract reduced tumor size and prevented cancer from spreading to the lungs. Additionally, gyrinambine, a compound in curry leaves, has been shown to kill colon cancer cells in lab studies. While these findings look promising, most research has only been done in labs or on animals, so more human studies are needed. 5. Benefits for hair and skin. These leaves pack plenty of vitamins and minerals like vitamin A, vitamin C, and iron that are key for keeping your hair and skin in good shape. People have been using them in traditional hair treatments for ages to stop hair from falling out and help it grow thicker. A popular method involves boiling fresh leaves in coconut oil until they break down into a dark residue. This mixture is then applied as a hair treatment to boost growth and keep your hair looking vibrant and healthy. 6. Better digestive health. These leaves have long been a go-to remedy in Ayurvedic healing practices for tackling stomach problems like indigestion, constipation, and diarrhea. They help your digestion work better by triggering digestive enzymes and supporting overall gut wellness. The traditional approach is to boil the leaves in water and drink the infusion. 7. Might help protect your heart. High cholesterol and triglycerides aren't great for your heart. They can increase your risk of heart problems down the road. Throwing some curry leaves into your diet could help manage these risk factors. Studies show that curry leaves might support heart health in several ways. Research on animals has found that curry leaf extract can lower cholesterol and triglyceride levels. In one experiment, researchers fed obese rats a high-fat diet for 2 weeks while giving them curry leaf extract every day. The results? Their cholesterol and triglycerides both went down quite a bit. 8. Fights germs and infections. Curry leaves, especially in extract form, are pretty good at killing various bacteria and fungi, so they might help keep infections at bay or treat them. In Ayurvedic medicine, people have been putting curry leaves on cuts and using them to stop itching for ages. 9. Reduces inflammation. Curry leaves have anti-inflammatory properties that can help cut down inflammation in your body and ease related issues. When scientists tested curry leaf extracts, they discovered they had strong anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving effects. 10. Support healthy weight management. Curry leaf water has gained attention for its potential role in weight management. When consumed on an empty stomach, this herbal infusion may enhance metabolic function, support the body's natural detoxification processes, and help maintain healthy cholesterol and triglyceride levels, all factors that contribute to overall wellness and weight control. How can curry leaves be used? After learning about the impressive advantages curry leaves offer, it's time to integrate them into your everyday habits. Here are some useful methods to experience what these adaptable leaves have to offer. Cooking applications. These leaves are essential in Indian cooking, providing a unique scent and taste to numerous preparations. Add them to stews, lentil dishes, grain preparations, sauces, and drinks such as leaf-based tea. Try including them in your go-to meals or discover new preparations that highlight their distinctive taste. Herbal drinks and concentrated extracts. These leaves work well for making calming herbal beverages and concentrated solutions that deliver their healing properties. Brew the leaves in heated water for a healthful drink, or prepare plant-based concentrates that function as nutritional supplements. External uses. The leaves can be applied directly to treat various complexion and scalp issues. Prepare a nourishing hair treatment by steeping the leaves in base oils, or use them for creating a revitalizing facial treatment or skin refresher. Supplement form. Those wanting a more potent delivery of the leaves' advantages can find supplements with standardized preparations or ground forms. This provides an easy method to maintain regular consumption of the leaves' beneficial substances. Whatever method you select for adding these leaves to your routine, begin with modest quantities and slowly increase as your system adjusts. Speak with a qualified health professional, particularly if you have existing health issues or use medications, to ensure safe and beneficial use. How to prepare curry leaf tea. You might be asking yourself, which type of curry leaves works best for tea, fresh or dried? It really comes down to what's available to you. While fresh leaves definitely provide a more potent scent and flavor, dried leaves are an excellent alternative if fresh ones aren't accessible in your area. Ingredients: 20 pieces fresh curry leaves, 2 cups clean water, 1 teaspoon fresh lemon juice, 2 teaspoons honey. How to prepare. Heat the water until it reaches boiling point. Drop in the curry leaves and allow them to gently cook for several minutes. Take the pot off the heat source. Filter the liquid, then mix in the honey and lemon juice. Blend well and sip the hot curry leaf beverage. What are the potential side effects and risks of curry leaves? Excessive curry leaf intake may cause allergic reactions, digestive problems, and blood pressure changes. Pregnant women should use them sparingly. Consult a healthcare provider before regular use, especially if you have health conditions. Curry leaves add fragrance and flavor to dishes while providing antioxidants, minerals, and vitamins that support digestion, skin health, and blood sugar control. However, they carry some potential risks. 1. Allergic responses. Some people may experience reactions from mild rashes to severe swelling or breathing difficulties. Those with herb sensitivities should test carefully before use. 2. Blood pressure issues. Compounds in curry leaves lower blood pressure. Combined with hypertension medication, they may cause dangerously low blood pressure, leading to dizziness or heart problems. Use moderately and monitor levels regularly. 3. Pregnancy concerns. While traditionally used for pregnancy symptoms, too much may trigger early contractions or hormonal imbalances. Expectant mothers should limit consumption. 4. Digestive problems. Their high fiber and mild laxative properties can cause bloating, gas, or diarrhea when overconsumed. Eat them cooked and in moderation, staying well hydrated. Curry leaves benefit your diet when used appropriately, providing essential nutrients and health support. However, be aware of potential drawbacks, particularly if you have existing medical conditions. Just a quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only, and if you're concerned about your health, always consult your healthcare provider. If you found this video helpful, type yes, give it a thumbs up, and consider sharing this information with your loved ones so they also will know all the curry leaves benefits. If you want to stay informed about health and well-being, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. For more insights on health and lifestyle, you might also find additional interesting videos popping up on your screen right now. Feel free to click on any of them, or even better, watch both to continue your knowledge journey with us. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!